What's happening, guys? So welcome to today's video. It's something a bit different. So basically me, Danny AYP and a couple of other YouTubers are meeting up today. We're going up to Snakes Pass. We're going to try and get some photos. So yeah, we're going to head up there. I've never been up Snakes Pass, I don't think. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Obviously it's going to be only the best V-Power for today. The Backstreet Boys here! That's Brownie 44 UK. We've got Danny AYP, Jack Junk, and then Leadfoot Ash. Also we know this Bender. And then we've got Brownie. Yeah. I nearly forgot them.
You know, like they used to do with like DC2s and DC2Ds, like EK9.
But I've just got K20 caps going.
Yeah, just intake. Yeah. They did it with Z4 engine and with SD2 engine.
I think the standard intake manifolds version.
Yeah.
He definitely did that one quite well. Yeah.
Don't mind me, guys, I ain't got a fucking clue what you're on about. You know, I'm on it, guy with fucking Vauxhall here, man. I'm outnumbered by all you Jet boys. So we're finally moving. I think I'm going to end up going at the back because I'm in a big coal burner. But we are all on the move. And I can't wait to hear Jay did this. I can't wait to hear your MX-5 because it sounds sick. Dan AYP just sorting his camera out so I can get them camera angles. Cheers, mate. So yeah, so I'll go. We're gonna get some awesome footage. I'm gonna try to get some good footage for you guys, but we'll see.
Is buried in my hand. Wish that I could see you all again. Things I'd say, I'd make a man. Feels like summer rain. Feels like summer rain. Like summer rain is falling down.
feel out of place. I mean, we've got, it's all Japanese, so we've got like Honda, Mazda, Vauxhall. She's not doing bad for a big car, to be fair. I mean, I think some of the modifications are actually working. So, like, yeah, it's doing all right. I mean, I'm staying with them. Definitely staying with them. So, like, this Type R that's actually next to mine, Leadfoot Ashes, it's like a Frankenstein. So it's got like a K24 bottom end and a K20 top end, and all of the modifications. It should be somewhere around 250 brake, and it screams when it hits that VTEC yaw. But I've been following him. You've got Jaded this in the MX-5. That's a 1.6 turbo lump. Can't remember what power he said, but I think it's somewhere around 300. But yeah, we've been having a laugh. I'll say we've come to like the last stop before we turn around. The old pot, I think it's called. So yeah, I think we're gonna get a drink, have a chat. I hope you're enjoying the footage so far. I'm doing the best I can with it. So yeah, we're gonna go get a drink and then we're gonna set off back.